Welcome to the AI and Statistics series. Let's dive into how AI can transform tabular data into various types of charts. Today, we will be converting a 2D data table into a columnar format and generating multiple types of floating bar to compare visualizations with grouping variables on the x-axis and y-axis. Don't worry about using the AI agent-driven base lab. All you need is natural language to get the data analysis result. All content will be explained in the most comprehensible natural language descriptions to help you get started with data analysis from scratch. We'll start with a data table featuring California's 2024 January to December weather data. Row data is a 2D table converted to a columnar format. In our previous video, Table Transform, 2D data table to column, we detailed this transformation with a before and after table comparison. Simply put, the transformed columns have grouped variables, while rows may have corresponding row titles. The column grouped variables represent January to December. Rows do not have grouped variables, but their titles represent the maximum, minimum, and mean values for each column variable. The floating bar charts will illustrate temperature variations with grouped variables depicted both on the x-axis and y-axis for comparison. We'll delve into how these prompts influence the final charts and uncover techniques for effective data visualization. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn to transform complex datasets into insightful visualizations. Let's start it right now. Using different prompt inputs, we'll demonstrate how AI generates multiple floating bar chart results. Our steps will include: Step 1. Table structure processing. From Step 2 to Step 4, we will create 3 beginner charts on the y-axis. Step 5 and Step 6, further using the fine-tuning feature, we will create 2 advanced charts on the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Step 1. Table structure processing. Process the raw table from 2D date table to column table where months are columns and temperature statistics are rows. Check our previous video for details. Step 2. Generate a floating bar chart where the y-axis represents the months. The bars will display temperature ranges, lower to upper, with a vertical line indicating the mean value in the middle. Prompt: read temperature CSV file table structure description to AI agent. Step 1. Iterate through all the column names. If a column header is empty, but the rows below have data, name the column as F. If there are multiple columns with data but no headers, name them sequentially as F1, F2, F3, and so on. Step 2. Generate the floating bars with all the requirements you need. I know the requirements I wrote are a bit extensive, but each one is very useful. Once we write the prompt, we just need to run it to generate the corresponding chart on the y-axis. We can see that the mean value in the middle of each bar is displayed, but it's just a small red and not very noticeable. How can we optimize this? Let's look at Step 3. Step 3. This step is similar to Step 2, but we color each bar based on whether it is below or above the mean value, providing a clearer depiction of monthly temperature variations. Further, using the fine-tuning feature, add a prompt. Randomly select 10 different colors and use a different color for each month. Ensure the colors have clear differentiation. Do not need legend description. Step 4. Enhance the previous chart by adding different colors for each month to improve visual differentiation. Fine-tune with randomly select 10 different colors and use a different color for each month. Ensure the colors have clear differentiation. Do not need legend description. These 3 are our beginner charts. But we noticed that although Step 3 shows each bar in a different color, the mean value is not clear. How can we get a floating bar that combines the advantages of Step 3 and Step 4? Let's use fine-tuning to regenerate the chart. Each rerun, due to AI's randomness, may yield different results, but by slightly adjusting the prompt, we can achieve different desired outcomes. Note that using the run button directly will not change the previous result. You need to rerun or create a new AI block to regenerate the Python code to help us build the new desired result. Let's take a look at Step 5 and Step 6. Step 5, same as Step 4, but add 1 sentence. Additionally, generate an advanced floating bar chart with the x-axis representing temperature and the y-axis representing. Ensure the position of the mean value is visually prominent. The prompt is: each bar has a vertical line in the middle, dividing the bar into 2 parts, each using a different color. The position of the vertical line represents the mean value of each group. Step 6, same as Step 5, but add one sentence. Additionally, switch the advanced chart to display bars on the y-axis, making the visualization more intuitive for some types of analysis. The prompt is, generate bar in y-axis. Thank you for reading this installment of the AI and Statistics series. We demonstrated how to convert a 2D data table into 5 different types of floating bar charts, using the fine-tuning button to progressively enhance and advance the charts from basic to sophisticated visualizations. Stay tuned for our upcoming demonstrations to explore more fascinating data visualization. Using AI Agent and Base Lab, anyone can organize, analyze, plot data charts, and make business data predictions like a professional data analyst based on previous data.
For every data-driven innovator, maximize AI Agent and crush data like a champ with Base Lab.